Welcome back. Today's session is 3-36, which is ward off left. Now, we're not going to go into too much detail about ward off left because it was our very first lesson in 1-1. What I am going to go over today is how we transition into ward off left from our last session, 3-35 of Fair Lady Works the Shuttles. So that's where we're going to pick up today. All right, so when we finished our Fair Lady Works the Shuttles, we finished at our 5:30. We are not shoulder width apart, we're a little wider than that. And we finished off here. This is where we finish off in the form. So how do we get from the end of Fair Lady Works the Shuttle to ward off left? We come back here, we put the weight in the left. We turn that right toe, which was at a 45-degree angle here at 5:30, and we're going to turn it in so that it's facing 130. I don't know if you can see my foot. It was here at the intersection at the 45 between the green and the yellow. I'm going to shift it all the way up to 130. Okay? In order to do that, I have to have my weight in the left leg. I rotate that right toe all the way around, grabbing up the ball, and my head is facing 12 o'clock, but again, my shoulders and my right toe are facing this 130. Holding the ball. When I step out, I'm not stepping out on the same yellow line that my right heel is on. I'm stepping over to the green line. Now, I'm not stepping over to the green line on this back line, on the same line as my right heel. I'm going up a shoulder width and then over a shoulder width. Also notice where my head is. My head isn't over this green line, it's over the yellow line. It's over the yellow line, up, over. It's still over the yellow line. I'm not going to move my shoulders and my head over to the green line. All I'm going to do is to put my left toe down and bend my left knee towards 12 o'clock. My body's attached to my leg, so it's going to pull me over, and now my head is over the green line. Okay? Important where you do that transition. It's not here and then clunk. It's here, up, a whole shoulder width. I'm not on this back yellow line where the green and the yellow intersect. I'm coming up to the intersection of the two yellows. I'm going over to the intersection of the green and yellow. I'm putting that toe down. My head is still over this yellow line. Bending the knee towards 12 o'clock. Now, that's where you finish with ward off left. The other thing that's turning at the same time is your hips and your torso. As you'll see, right now I'm at 130. There's that foot. As that left toe goes down, I touch the inside of my wrist as the right hand passes by on its way to my right hip, and as I settle forward, I rotate. That's not my hand moving. Watch my microphone. My hand is in line with the microphone. It's still in line with the microphone. It's still here, and my knee is facing 12 o'clock, and now so is the microphone. I had the microphone and my shoulders turned towards 130, and now it's facing 12 o'clock. Ward off left. The right hand we've already gone over, comes there. The left hand we've already gone over, it's coming up. We've gone over the breath before. When you're gathering up all that energy, that's the breath in through the nose. Bend your knee towards 12 o'clock as you breathe out. have it. Knee is at 12 o'clock. Your hand will never come away from your body and leave all this gap. It stays right there, and it happens all at the same time. You're just doing this. Without the hands, notice where my shoulders are. You can see my left shoulder. Then as I bend my left knee, then my right shoulder comes into view. Okay? All right. So, we've already gone over 3-35, which is 1-1. I'm sorry, 3-36. And that's ward off left. What comes next is ward off right. And we will pick up there on the next session. Until then, have a wonderfully Zen day.